Hi! Hello! Do you know the multiplication table?
No,
Then let's memorize it.
no, it's so hard.
Don't worry, I'll show you an easy way to do multiplication table. This is how it works. So you see this table right here? This table, there are numbers going from 2 to 9 from top to bottom like that, and there are some numbers going from 2 to 9 from left to right. Okay, and then you see these numbers in the diagonal right here. Okay, these numbers are the square numbers. Okay, what does that mean? That means that, for example, 4 is 2 times 2. 9 is 3 times 3. 16 is 4 times 4. 25 is 5 times 5, and so on. And then let's do the last one. So 9 times 9 is 81. Okay? Okay, so now let's see how we can get the multiplication table of 2. So for that, you need to go to this row with 2 here, okay? And then you keep on adding 2 to the number. For example, we have 4 right now here. So you add 2 to 4, which should give you what? 6, right? So you get a 6 here. And then you add 6 to 2. What do you get? 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. And plus 2 is 16 plus 2 is 18. So now let's try to go with 3. For that, we need to go to 3 right here. Okay, so and then we add 3 to the number 9. Okay, so what's the addition of 9 plus 3? It's 12, right? 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24, and then finally 24 plus 3 is 27. So we complete the table like this. Now let's try some questions. Say you want to find out the multiplication of 5 and 7. So 5 times 7 is equal to what? Let's see. So we always start with the smaller number. So smaller number is 5. So you go to 5, row 5, and then you locate the next number, which is 7, in the column. Okay, this one. So you try to see where they meet. Okay, they meet here. So the answer should be 35. Okay, so let's try another one. Let me erase this one first. Okay, so let's try, for example, 9 times 3. Okay, so let me write it down here. 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is equal to, let's see what it is. So as I said earlier, you need to start with the smaller number. Smaller number is 3. So go to 3, and then you find 9 on the column. So let's see where they meet. They meet right here, right? So the answer should be 27. Should we try one more? Yes. Okay, let's try one more. Let me erase this first. Okay, see another one. Let's try, for example, 6 times 7. Okay, so let me write it down here. 6 times 7. So a smaller number is 6. So you find 6 here, and then you find 7 here. They meet at 42, this cell right? So now your answer is 42. So now you see how easy it is to build your own multiplication table within minutes, right? So all you need to do is remember the square numbers. These square numbers, that's all you need to remember, and rest you can derive, right? So for example, in your examination, if you find it hard to memorize all the multiplication table, the whole multiplication table, you can just memorize the square numbers that you see in the diagonal, and then you can derive your own. Just take maybe, at the most it takes about 5 minutes, right? And then you are good to go. I hope it helped. Thank you. Thank you for watching.